Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of James Jam. This time I'm coming at you just to show you a haul. And I'm just going to show you just the item itself. Sorry I've been away so long. As my son says, I must have been out like in Kentucky hunting aliens, or I don't know what it's been, but it's been a while. I had this though and I just wanted to make sure I unboxed it in front of everybody because I'm just so excited about it. So it just came in the mail today. The only thing I've opened is just the package this far. And so here we go. As you can see, it is a beautiful Chanel package. Just going to move that. And here we go. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't even tell you. As usual, I like how nicely they package this up, so I know it's nice and safe. And what had happened was my essay had we've been trying to get, I've been wanting something else for a while. I've just been loving the new colors of the, that have come out from Chanel lately, and really liking the, thinking I'm going to get an SLG or something like that. To get some of the new colors, the iridescent blue, the pink is pretty. There's just so many colors, and after the cruise line, I was really excited about the next set of colors. But one of the things I've been doing is trying to get kind of like one of every Chanel thing that I like. So like the old, I'd like to get an O case yet. I don't have that yet, but I have a, one of the wallets that kind of match the boy bag that I have. And I have another wallet that opens in front. And so and I want to get a round one and want to get one of the pouches that have little CCs. But the other thing I decided that I needed and really, really wanted was a wallet on chain. And here's a little thank you card. Came from Nordstrom's. That's where my essay is from. It's just the receipt. And so I knew that I wouldn't be buying a new bag anytime soon. Just the investment in and of itself is just more than I'm going to do or ready to do lately. I also am looking more towards getting an everyday bag and hope to go to Minneapolis this weekend to pick something up. I have a couple Louis Vuittons in mind that I really, really would like. But I thought, though, the one thing that I did still really want was a wallet on chain. And my essay was showing me all kinds of stuff, and nothing was really tripping my trigger about stuff, and she knows how much I like colors. And so she had been showing me all kinds of things that came in. Whenever they got something new into the store, she would show me via text. And finally I said to her, thank you so much for everything you've been doing. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry nothing's kind of working for me at this time, but I want her to still keep sending me pictures of everything. And I just told her, my big focus right now is going to be a wallet on chain or some SLGs, because she was also showing me bags and things like that. And so she thanked me for telling her and everything. And then I thought, well, that went well, and hopefully, she'll still remember me and show me stuff, even if I'm looking more for the smaller, so to speak, type items. And lo and behold, about an hour later, she sends me a text, and she has something that I never thought I'd get, and it was the most perfect WOC. It was the one I wanted. I just didn't think they were available anymore, or if they were, I didn't think they'd have them in store. And she never showed it to me because she thought I wanted something with color. But, without further ado, I got this beautiful WOC. It's in the black caviar leather, and it's got the silver hardware, because I really, really like the silver hardware. I don't know why. I'm just not a gold fan. So here's the price tag, which I'm probably not going to show you much of, but here it is. It's just, again, got the black caviar leather. It's got a pocket in the back. The beautiful chain, just nice and shiny and silver. I love silver. Open a little pad here. It's got a little zipper compartment up here. And then inside, it's got the like burgundy-ish, brown burgundy color that typically comes with like the black classics. It's got spot for 6 cards inside. It's got a nice little area in here that looks like it expands a little too if you look at the bottom there. To put stuff in, like your phone will fit nicely. Then it's got another zipper compartment here. My authenticity card is in here. Let's see, it's 27 series, so it's newer. And yeah, and then it's just got a pocket up front here. So yeah, there you have it, my new WOC, or my new wallet on chain from Chanel. And that's about it for this one. Just want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to do unto others as you would have them do unto you. And until next time, have a great day.